We were trying to figure out why we weren't getting power to the garage door, and never seen this one before. The wire just dies right here. It dies right there. So we have to pull it out, and there's a whole bunch of wire to get it. Okay, so it is Friday. We've got our electrical sub panel in. Maybe I'll show that a little better in another video. This here is 1¼ EMT with weatherproof couplings on it. This is the water connection system. So that is the cold supply into the house, and that is the fire control manifold, and this is where the water heater is going to go. So yeah, that's a bummer. We were just about to do something and we discovered that that garage door wire is faulty. Never seen that before. But check out this here. We've got our garage doors are finally in, and we have zero clearance rails and coil spring and all that. So these look really good. Let me walk over to this side here too. So yeah, unfortunately the lights are off in here, but you can kind of see the garage doors. It looks nice, very nice. So I am going to hop on out of here, grab my screw gun, and then I'll show you the outside. Kind of nice to have the garage door clear now. Okay, so those are the garage doors. I'll have to move my truck so that we can get a better look at that, but that looks really good. Okay, so let's go take a look here at the house from a wider angle. But there you go, those are the garage doors. And that is steam from my breath going in front of the lens. Looks good. Still waiting on that entry door though. Alright. Hope you liked the video, and please do subscribe. And we will see you on the next video, which is going to be tomorrow.